नमस्कार दोस्तों। तो देखिए आज मध्य प्रदेश वर्ग एक शिक्षक भर्ती 2023 को जॉइनिंग से लेकर कुछ डेवलपमेंट सामने आ रही हैं। तो जॉइनिंग क्यों रुकी हुई है, उस पर बहुत सारी बातें देखने को मिल रही हैं। आज एक सुनवाई थी मध्य प्रदेश हाई कोर्ट में और उस सुनवाई के दौरान बहुत सारी ऐसी बातें सामने निकल कर आ रही हैं जो कि इस वर्ग एक शिक्षक भर्ती 2023 की जॉइनिंग को पूरी तरह से प्रभावित करती हैं। तो अब वो कौन-सी बातें हैं, वो बातें हम तभी समझ पाएँगे कि जब हम उस हियरिंग को सुनेंगे और उस हियरिंग के बाद उसके आउटकम्स क्या निकलते हैं। तो वीडियो को ज़रूर पूरा देखिएगा और हियरिंग को सुनिएगा, तो आप पूरी तरह से समझ जाएँगे कि आज की सुनवाई से क्या सामने निकल कर आया है। तो चलिए शुरू करते हैं।
Sorry?
If I may submit, Your Lordship, this is a writ appeal filed on behalf of the state. This is a writ appeal filed on behalf of the state, challenging the order passed by the learned single judge. Your Lordship, in the meantime, the respondents have filed replies to the writ appeal, and certain factual assertions have been, which were not a part of the pleading before the learned single judge. They have been filed. I'm praying for a very short time to reply to these only factual
These
assertions.
annexures to the reply were they part of the writ record?
No, they were not. Not all of them.
Not all of them.
My lord, we filed this reply, my lord, in the month of May, my lord, and we got listed urgently during the vacations, my lord. That's why, my lord, this honorable court got it listed for final hearing, my lord.
I've sought for instructions only a short date. I'm praying, Your Lordship. The instructions have already been received. All that is required it is to be prepared.
My lord, if a short date is being given, my lord, may kindly decide my appropriate direction application, my lord. Lord, they are conducting the fresh recruitment process, my lord. If that is conducted, my lord, this appeal would get infructuous, my lord.
But there is already an interim order.
My lord,
There's
interim
an
order, my
interim
lord,
order
single
and
bench's
in
order
favor
is
of
in
the
my
state.
favor, my lord. It is state's appeal, my lord. They have got a stay and they have started conducting the fresh recruitment, my lord. If that is conducted, my lord, this appeal would get infructuous, my lord.
If I may submit, Your Lordship, the respondents herein, they were participants of the first advertisement that was issued by the department in the year 2018. Now
But we
they
have to then maintain status quo.
now
My lord,
now
that is why, my lord, that's my application, my lord. Apologies, my lord.
They have succeeded before the learned single judge.
yes, but
You are in appeal, no doubt that order has been stayed. But you can't tomorrow make the entire proceedings infructuous by saying now we've recruited, we have no vacancies left.
no,
We'll
it
give
is
you time, but please don't change the status in between what is as obtaining today.
it is now in fact a recruitment, a third advertisement. Even the second advertisement has been concluded, and now
Whatever.
the vacancies are
They
in
have
respect of
succeeded
backed
before the
vacancies.
learned single judge. By way of an interim order, you can't make the entire proceedings infructuous. We'll give you as much time as you need. We'll list it for final disposal, but don't change the status in the meantime. Don't make it fait accompli. Now we've recruited, we have no vacancies left, so we can't do anything. That will not be fair.
That was the demand before the learned single judge, that they are going ahead with the fresh recruitment despite we being in the select list.
You see, whatever happened prior to the passing of the learned single judge's order, that learned single judge would have taken care of. Post that, by way of your appeal and an interim order, and now seeking time to file a response. Don't change the state. You take 1 week's time, we'll have it after a week, we have no difficulty, but don't change the status. That's all we are requesting.
The only difficulty is I have received the reply of in the second petition only recently. They have filed documents which are not part of the pleadings.
That's all right. We are not,
So I have
we are not saying we will not give you time. You please file a response,
that I-
but
that
don't
I
change the
understand.
status. That's the only thing.
Your Lordship may kindly fix a date for in the next week for final hearing of the matter. I'll file a reply in all the
Current
three
counsel
cases.
appearing for the appellant submits that in the reply filed by the respondents, certain fresh averments and documents have been placed which need to be responded to. She prays for time to file a response. How much time?
5 days time may be granted, may be posted in the next week.
Let a response be filed within 1 week. List for final hearing in the motion stage on 25th July.
Meanwhile,
We've indicated,
Lord,
we've
may
indicated they will not change the status.
Lord, it may kindly be observed in the order, my lord.
Yes,
Okay,
Ms. Pandit.
I'll
You'll
ensure
ensure
that
it
I'll
won't
ensure that
What happened?
only the appointment orders are required to be issued in the next.
Don't issue them till the
We'll not
25th.
so we'll not.
These are-
Don't
these
issue
are
them
very-
till the 25th.
Only appointment address. Great.
तो देखिए फ्रेंड्स, अगर हम आउटकम्स की बात करें, अब सुनवाई तो हो गई, आपने सुनवाई सुन भी ली होगी, काफ़ी लोगों को समझ में भी आ गई होगी। लेकिन अगर जो मैंने सुनवाई सुनी तो उसके बाद जो मुझे आउटकम समझ में आए, अब वो मैं आप लोगों के साथ शेयर करना चाहूँगा। तो जो पहला आउटकम रहा इस हियरिंग के बाद, तो आप साफ साफ स्क्रीन पर पढ़ सकते हैं कि द पिटिशनर्स एडवोकेट argued that the DPI is proceeding with fresh recruitment for the 2018 EWS posts, and once the appointment letters are issued, the verdict in this case will not impact the matter, denying justice to the candidates. अब अगर हम हिंदी में इसकी बात करें तो देखिए, जो 2018 वाले EWS कैंडिडेट्स हैं, उनके वकील ने ये दलील दी कि जो सिंगल बेंच का ऑर्डर था वो उनके फेवर में था। जी हाँ, जो 23 फरवरी को ऑर्डर आया था माननीय मध्य प्रदेश उच्च न्यायालय का, उसमें जो जज साहब थे उन्होंने साफ साफ कहा था कि जो 848 EWS के कैंडिडेट हैं, पहले उनको DPI को नियुक्ति देनी पड़ेगी, उसके बाद ही कोई भी फ्रेश रिक्रूटमेंट हो सकता है। जो जज साहब थे उन्होंने भी बात को सुना, और जो हमारे तो नहीं, जो DPI के वकील थे, रेस्पोंडेंट्स के जो लॉयर थे, उन्होंने भी दलील दी। तो उनकी दलील क्या दी, तो उस पर भी देखिए दूसरा आउटकम निकल कर आया। After hearing the arguments, the respondent's lawyer requested additional time to file a reply. The Honorable Acting Chief Justice of the Madhya Pradesh High Court scheduled the final hearing for July 25th, 2024 and stated that no appointment letters will be issued until then. तो देखिए, जो दूसरा आउटकम है इससे एकदम साफ है कि आपने सुनवाई में साफ साफ सुना होगा कि माननीय जज साहब ने उन्होंने सीधे सीधे कहा है कि जो भी फैसला आया है, जो भी इंटरिम ऑर्डर पास हुआ है, उसका स्टेटस किसी भी तरह से चेंज नहीं होगा। तो देखिए, अब मैटर कोर्ट में है, जो भी फैसला निकल कर आएगा वो 25 जुलाई को समझ में आएगा और 25 जुलाई को बातें सामने क्लियर हो जाएंगी। अब यहाँ पर जो रेस्पोंडेंट्स के लॉयर हैं, उन्होंने टाइम मांगा है रिप्लाई फाइल करने के लिए। तो DPI जो है वो रिप्लाई फाइल करेगा अगले 5 दिनों के अंदर, और जो इसकी फ़ाइनल सुनवाई है वो होगी 25 जुलाई को, और तभी सारी बातें क्लियर होने की पूरी संभावना है। तो आई होप इस वीडियो के माध्यम से जो भी रीज़न्स थे, जो भी आउटकम्स निकल कर आए हैं, वो आप सबको समझ में आए होंगे। इस वीडियो को देखने के लिए बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद, और एक रिक्वेस्ट कि आपके लिए इतनी मेहनत अगर की जाती है और अगर आपको मेहनत लगती है कि हाँ वास्तविक रूप से मेहनत हुई है, तो चैनल को सब्सक्राइब ज़रूर करें। थैंक यू सो मच एंड आई विश यू ऑल द वेरी बेस्ट। मे गॉड ब्लेस यू ऑल।